Aweh Millionaire, it's me again, and I'm back again with another USD trade, USD to CAD trade, and it's the 21st of Feb 2020. I sold USD CAD at 3:30 p.m. because if you go to Forex Factory, you'll see that we had high impact news on CAD at 3:30 p.m. We had Core Retail Sales, and it was just another smart trader setup, smart trader analysis. This one really textbook smart trader setup, and I'm gonna dive into the analysis, why I sold, and how you can use Forex impact news, high impact news, and supply and demand Forex volume, and just being a smart trader to catch these easy trade setups. And if you want to know how to become a more consistent and profitable trader, and you want to learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But we're going to crack into the USD to CAD smart trade analysis. Short, sold this one. Let's crack straight into it. Now, already you will see that I have already drawn in my supply and my demand levels. In fact, these supply and demand levels, if I go to the 4-hour time frame, okay, which you can see over there, these supply and demand levels are the levels that I identified in my previous video, okay, because I took a trade on USDCAD on the 19th of Feb for the CAD CPI, and I've done a video on it. If you want to crack into the video, if you want to see exactly what how I drew these levels and where I got them from, click on the eye on the right hand side to watch the full video for the CAD CPI trade. But these were the exact same levels that I drew in the previous video. Okay, you even see on the 15-minute time frame, you see on the 19th of Feb, I already did the analysis, I explained the trade. So I mean it was already there, set up, nice and done. So all I did on the 21st today was I simply just knew that there were news coming out, and already knew where the banks were targeting, what levels they were looking at, and all I had to do was simply analyze. And the analysis was plain and simple. Like, it was so easy, very, very easy. So again, just as a reminder, this was the demand level. If I change the color back, okay, this was demand level number 1. Okay, this was demand level number 2, and then this was the supply level number 1. This was supply level number 2. Okay, and as you can see, what happened from the previous trade, price tested the demand zone, bounced off the demand zone, okay, actually came back to that demand zone, bounced off again, okay, and went to the supply level, okay, tested the supply level, and then broke through the supply level for today. What happened was price broke through the supply level, and before the news, what happened, price went to go and test the second supply level. So it was very clear where the smart money was targeting, what they were targeting, okay. And obviously, as you can see, what happened here was price was consolidating for pretty much the whole day, but it was consolidating at the supply level. So already know when price is testing the supply level, all we want to do is sell. So before the news, price came, test the supply level, so all we got to do is sell. So just before the news came out at 3:30, what I did was I plotted the trade, and stop loss, entry, target, like a smart trader. So again, with the stop loss, we'll start with the stop loss. When it comes to stop loss and entry, we use the most recent fractal high as well as the most recent fractal low to plot our stop loss and our entry. So stop loss was the most recent fractal high, which before the news was, okay, over here, this was the most recent fractal high. Okay, if you add some pips for safety, you can even use this previous high. okay, just for safety. So boom, as you can see, there it is. The stop loss is over there. You already see the trade. There's the entry, okay, there's the stop loss of the trade, there's the target which was hit like just a couple of hours ago. So stop loss, entry, most recent fractal high, most recent fractal low. Stop loss is the most recent fractal, entry price is the most recent fractal low, which is right over there, most recent fractal low, and then again target your reward to risk ratio. So very simple trade. Plot the entry, plot the stop loss, take the sell because price is testing the supply level. And as you can see with this trade, what happened is it wasn't quite a fast move. It wasn't quite an instant trade like some of the trades that you see me place. But remember, guys, when you trade, you want to trade like a smart trader. Okay, you want to trade like an amateur. Okay, sometimes the trade will shoot straight to the take profit. Sometimes it will take a couple of minutes. Sometimes it will take a couple of seconds. Sometimes it might take an hour or so. But as long as you plot your stop loss, as long as you have your entry, as long as you're managing your risk, there's no need for you to be blowing your accounts on news events. Okay, there's no need for that because there's so many high impact news events that happen in the month. Okay, if one trade doesn't go your way, doesn't matter. There's so many other trades that are going to happen in the month. Stop like gambling your hard-earned money for no reason. Okay, only amateurs do that. Only dumb traders do that. You're a smart trader. A smart trader trades with the probabilities in their favor. Okay, and to have the probability in your favor, you trade. You identify the supply and the demand levels. You trade with forex volume. You follow the banks. Okay, and you manage your risk diligently. Okay. This is not a gamble. This is a business where you're trying to make a consistent income, not get rich quick scheme where you blow your money. Okay, you're not a dumb trader. So put your stop loss, put your entry, and you can see with this trade what happened. With this trade, price triggered me into the trade, and it actually went. It ran in a bit of profit for like a couple of minutes, and then almost went and hit the stop loss. If it hit the stop loss, it's not the end of the day. Okay, smart traders, like we trade high impact news like it's another day, another dollar. So it was going all the way to the stop loss. Do I care? Do you care? No, you don't care. Here's your stop loss. You lose your 1% or your 2% of your account. Okay, if you're trading a bigger account size, you risk 0.5% of your account, etc., etc. So went all the way as if it was going to stop loss. But again, have confidence in your trades. Okay, you want to trade with the banks. Okay, so you just simply let the trade do its thing. Let the banks do its thing, and the banks did its thing. Okay, it was in a bit of a loss, and then eventually went triggered back into profit and went straight to target without any problems. And that's how smart traders trade. We simply just follow the banks. If the trade hits your stop loss, it hits your stop loss. As long as you're risking 1% or 2% of your account, then yeah, you win some, you lose some. But as long as you're winning more than you're losing, that's the aim of the game of trading, to be more consistent with your wins than your losses. All right. And it's just another day, another dollar. As long as you have your stop loss, as long as you have your take profit, you let the trade do its thing and you enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, you live your life as a trader. Live your life of a trader. Okay, don't become a slave to the market and gamble your money away. Okay, that was a bit of a rant because I'm been getting messages from people telling me they're blowing accounts, they're doing all this crazy shit, which is not a smart trader thing to do. Manage your risk, be smart, and just follow the smart money. Trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. But that's the trade. It's a very simple trade, very easy sell, testing the supply level, and you just click sell and test the supply level. If it's testing the demand level, you buy. Like the previous trade I did, the CAD CPI, you can click the I to watch the video. And another day, another dollar. It's Friday. It's time for the weekend now. Let's enjoy the weekend, and we'll crack back into the markets next week, collect more easy perps, and follow the smart money. So I'll see you in the next high impact news analysis. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to take a screenshot, share it on Instagram, tag me, let me know what you learned, leave a comment, and let me know what you learned. Okay, and let me know if you want to be a smart trader. If you want to be a smart trader, leave a comment. Okay, comment that you want to be a smart trader. Okay, and do what smart traders do. Trade with the banks, manage their risk diligently, and are consistently making an income from this business. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm done for this one. I'm out. Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.